Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to share with you something a bit different to what you're used to seeing here on the Profit Boss channel. So normally you would see me talking about different strategies to beat the bookmakers and make money online and so forth. But in this one, we're actually looking at a betting website or betting app actually, which you can purchase and then earn money from. We'll jump on the laptop in a second and I'll share with you how much this company is for sale. But before we do, I'd just like to quickly mention the Profit Boss match betting and value betting Facebook group. But having said that, and getting into the video, this site that we're going to be looking at is actually called flippercom. And this is the site where you can actually, if you have a website that's making money for you, you can actually list it for sale here if you're wanting to maybe raise some money and move on to another project, or, there could be many reasons why you would want to sell a company that you've built up. But you can also, of course, buy businesses on here. And that's what we'll be focusing more on this video rather than the selling of a business. So on this information here, it says, I'm here to sell, I'm here looking to buy. So we'll just toggle it over to the looking to buy section. And you can see it says, making it easy to buy online businesses. And that's because they literally do everything for you. They manage, so like you can see their YouTube accounts, apps you can buy on here, Amazon stores, Shopify stores, WordPress websites. So anything like a website that's getting views on it and then people purchasing products on that website through affiliate links, that company is then earning affiliate commissions on that site. So you can buy those kind of websites as well on here. Now, if we click on Browse Businesses, that's going to load up the next page, and we can scroll down and actually select then. So if we just click YouTube channel, and actually I'll just deselect all the others. So with YouTube channel just selected, we can then see, there's YouTube channels here that are earning. So this one at the top earning nearly 20,000 US dollars a month, around 15,000 pounds a month. And then another one, YouTube channel Health and Beauty, that one's earning nearly sort of 7,000 to 8,000 pounds a month, nearly 10,000 US dollars a month there. If we click on this one at the top, then earning the mega money, like 15 grand a month, you can see it says YouTube Faceless channel. They're actually based in Spain. So it's giving you all the information here and showing the details with you. You can scroll down, read through everything there if you like, but I won't get into like the absolute, every single detail. It's 2 years old, as I say, 15,500 pounds a month. Profit margin 79%, of course, because there's not too many running costs with creating videos on a YouTube channel. That's why the profit margin is so high. Profit multiple is 2x. That just means, so 2 times profit multiple, all that is when you have a calculator here, you basically just have so 15,544 pounds a month times 12. So for the year, it's going to earn a profit of 186,500. And then the 2 times profit multiple, basically, if we just times that by 2, that gives us the price of the company, so to buy it. So it's actually, to be exact, because that's just a rough estimate, it's obviously not going to give you the profit multiple to the exact, 2.0555, whatever. So it's just a rough estimate, but the exact sale price it's actually up for is £366,645. So very close to that figure we got on the calculator there. And obviously, the lower the profit multiple, the better, because if your profit multiple is just 1x, that means you're buying the business for much cheaper. If it was 5 times profit multiple, that means it's obviously much more expensive. So it's something to look at there. Got the revenue multiple, 1.6 times. It says active followers / subscribers, 158,000. And actually, when we click on this photo here, you can see that it shows the YouTube channel that you would be buying here. It's called Vintage TV Shows. You can see in the last 28 days, actually from the 11th of October to 7th of November, 2024, it did 2.5 million views, nearly 25,000 pounds there. And yeah, they currently, in that screenshot, it says 157,500 subscribers. But when we bring the channel up here, the channel's actually grown a bit more. So now it has 163,000 subscribers, 976 videos there. So they are, it's growing channel. It's going to potentially make even more money each month. You can see it's got regular uploads going on. Now that's all well and good, but that is a considerable amount of money for someone to invest to then earn £15,000 a month from. So obviously you'd have to earn that much money each month for 2 years just to get your return on your investment. The other thing I wanted to mention is you have to remember that to keep YouTube channels going and getting views, you have to consistently keep uploading more videos. And if you're not someone that's really interested in doing that, or you don't know how to get someone else posting those videos for you, then over time you would see you get less and less views each month, and it wouldn't be earning that £15,000 a month. Now, getting onto the site here, that's the bookmaker site, which is for sale. It's actually a platform called Superbets, and it says Superbets is a free-to-play prediction platform largely aimed at sporting events, but it can include anything. Players predict outcomes of events and win a prize. And as it says there, it's free to play. So when you go onto the app here on the Google Play Store, a lot of the reviews, it's actually been downloaded over 500,000 times. The reviews, in my opinion, are a bit like, they're not low, but it's not high. It's like an average review. So potentially there's some scope there if someone was going to buy that business to improve on what people are saying is not great about the platform, because 3.3 stars isn't amazing. It should be really like 4.2, I would say. But you can scroll down and see that, yeah, I mean, there you can see lots of 5-star reviews, but then the 1-star reviews are nearly matching. So there's 500 5-star reviews and then 375 1-star reviews. That's not good in my opinion. But this guy says then, love it, gives you the buzz of placing a bet, but it's completely free. Great for playing versus friends too. And then here we have still checking out what it's all about, but generally good, easy navigating and overall usage. So yeah, people, I'm not going to go through all the reviews, but people generally are liking this platform. And it looks like you just select sporting events for free, and then you have the chance to win like £10 Amazon vouchers and stuff like that. Now, this is a UK-based company. They've been going for 6 years now. Their monthly profit is just over £5,000 a month. Amazing profit margin of 86%. And then it is a 3.7 times profit multiple. But, that's nearly twice as expensive as that faceless YouTube channel I was just talking about. So it just depends. You have to look at the whole picture. You can't just go off that profit multiple and decide if it's a good investment just from that. We can see this site's for sale at £232,100, and then we can scroll down and there's some information here which I'll let you pause your screen now if you want to read through all that. If you want actual like details, you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement, and obviously if I signed that and I got the extra details, I would not then be able to share that on this YouTube video. You can browse all these different kind of websites for sale. Maybe there's platforms on there, sites that are much cheaper. If you had obviously £232,000 is a hell of a lot of money to get involved with a company, but maybe there's some there that are like 10,000, 20,000 that you might be interested in getting joined up to. Do please comment your thoughts on the flippercom website. Tap the like button below if you enjoyed this video and had any value from it. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.